guys, that's our cottage. We are here at Eden. That's Kung Kung. We're going to the fishing village.
Are we gonna walk or drive?
Drive.
Okay.
Guys, Cam said it's a very good car. Right at the Kamski. It's a very good car daw, sabi ni Cam. Smile! Going to the fishing village. Alright, Kung Kung. Here at the fishing village now with all of the bahay kubo. And look at our back. Our back view right here. It's really, really... Oh! There are deers! Oh my gosh! So cute! Oh.
The fish is not coming!
Not yet. Okay, fish pond. Oh my gosh, it's gonna rain! Oh. Oh, the fish! Oh, the fish is here! Come on, fish! We're here na! Ate Kams and Kung Kung. They're fishing, guys. So cool! Okay, Kung Kung, Ate Kams. At the fishes. They have two already. They don't need. Wow! Wala pa kayo, mama di ay.
Yay!
Ikaw, Ate Kams, meron ka? Let me see.
Look at that, she's
Smile!
still breathing!
Oh.
What is blood?
Oh, what do you see?
I see reindeers.
No, just deer. They're not reindeers. Wow, so we have Philippine deers and other deers. Wow, so cool. So nice.
Look, I'm a crow. Caw! Caw!
Fog. Oh my gosh. Look at the frogs, guys.
Look at the little fishes.
And the fog is everywhere. So we are eating our fish. There you go.
Fish may kungkong.
There's the fish. It's very well preserved. Received the idea by our stomach. There's our food, guys. Kung Kung's eating the soup. And the veggies. Our room.
Where's mine?
Oh. Can you hear the insects outside? Good morning, Eden. Wow. Let's go outside. Let's go outside. Ooh. Whoa. Very cool. Look at the trees. And they've got some pomelos. Wow. Good morning, guys. That's our hut right there. There's the hall where we can eat. Alright, Kung Kung's Valentine's Day. Alright, look at the views, guys. Ganda ng mountains. Oy. Very nice. Our free breakfast, guys. So first serve is the veggies. This is the main breakfast. Purtang talo, itlog, and corned beef. This is our free chocolate and suman. And this place is peacock friendly. So many peacocks. Okay, so we got some white peacock right here, guys. There you go. Oh, very beautiful. Huh? Yeah, it's here. Oh. You know the smile. Don't you go say. Oops. It's gone. Look at the peacock. Wow, very beautiful. Ang kung mamahal is up. Up and above. And look at the very colorful peacock over there. Cool. Oh, nice. Beautiful fog and lake naman. Man-made lake. We're going home now to the city.